Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be discussing how many people you can add to your Twitter circle, one of the newest features of Twitter. So the short answer is you can add up to 150 people into your Twitter circle, and I'll go into how you can do that, but you can confirm that with this article here or this Google search. It says up to 150 members of your Twitter circle. So just simply open up Twitter, go to the compose a tweet button, tap on tweet, and at the top there where it says everyone, just tap on everyone, and now you can see it says Twitter circle and I have 5 people. To go ahead and add more people, just tap on edit, and you want to go to the recommended tab, and now you can simply just start searching for people. So I'll just add some random people, and you just want to do this one by one until you have up to 150 people, or however many people you want to have in your Twitter circle. So then you can see if I tap on Twitter circle now, it says I have 10 people in my Twitter circle. You can click on it at any time, or if you tap on edit at any time, you can go and remove people from your Twitter circle. And that's how you would add people, and then you can just tap on done at the top right, compose your tweet. You can see it's going out to my Twitter circle, and then tap on tweet when you're done. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.